Good evening, friends. I hope this was a good day for all of us, and I wish that we all have made some good money. Normally, Thursday expiries are the days where the premium, gets killed. A lot of option traders make, look forward to close the positions, and market tends to move very strongly. Uh, if you notice, and yesterday when the market was moving down, I asked a lot of people in the groups whether they are carrying forward the puts positions, and it was affirmative. Most retailers were trapped, uh, and which I had a pretty strong doubt because of the pattern which the market had created here. This was something which uh, but then yes, it trailed the stops, it broke all the stops, and what they did was just open a gap up and formed a hammer here. And the way the previous day's low was uh, uh, rejected, and then a very strong move here. In fact, I mentioned in couple of groups to short puts, and subsequently when I got the major confidence, I told to buy 35,800, which went from 300 to 500. And in fact here, it hit our trail stop loss once the price moved above this, above, and I told to add a couple of my subscribers, followers. They confidently took it, and in fact, people who didn't have capital took 3600 call from at 60 rupees, and this in fact went to 260. So there was more of profitability, because if you see here, the big move which came from here to here was enormous, and by around 11:30 or 12 o'clock the price never could break this. It got rejected, and here again there was a short which could have been taken. Here I definitely we missed because we had already done our profits. We didn't want to take that risk. Slowly we took a little position, made some profit here, and in the last we took the long position, and in fact I think we had given buy 36, I mentioned futures buy 36 above 160, 36 160 or above, and pretty nicely this went up to 250 levels. Here if you see our previous day, we mentioned that market can move like this, or maybe open down and move upwards. If this price was if in case this price was not supported, we were expecting a down move, which actually did not happen. So what are we expecting for tomorrow? uh, Earlier we mentioned in a couple of occasions that I'm expecting price to move up to 36 600 levels, which is the weekly level here. So somewhere 36,340 might be where we may head tomorrow. Another thing I would want you all to observe, we are actually, though we have strongly moved here from 21st of April, we got the price got rejected in October at around highs of 41,200, and then retraced. It has been actually been market we have been finding quite difficult in terms of making profits, because market is actually trading in a very strong range here. This is a triangle. Any breakout, right? Any price being breaking out here can retest and then move downwards. So a lot of speculation of market going to 14,000, all that could anytime happen. So I would not be, in fact, today I think in a couple of groups I told it's only the auto stocks which are strong, and maybe IT has given a good pullback, and we may see reality booming for some period of time. So it is not going to just break because I told it's going to break. It's not going to happen next week or tomorrow or next month. It may take a couple of weeks, even months also. So this is not just in the Bank Nifty. This kind of a range has happened here in Nifty as well. See, but then if you see here, there's another nice move what do you call as a falling wedge pattern, which has been created here, and pretty strongly I see this being can be a strong resistance for us. So if price able to sustain above this, then we heading towards 17,700 levels. So however, let me tell you, when we are trading in options, we may not be able to trade so confidently